calculating the base of a triangle when given the area. In this diagram, I'm given the value of A, which is 15 meters, the value of C, which is 23 meters, the value of H, which is 13 meters, and the area, which is 175.5 meters squared, but I am not given B, and I need to find the value of B. So again, first thing I need to do is look at the 90-degree angle, put arrows on there so I can identify my height and my base. Then I need to start with my formula, which is area equals base times height divided by 2. The next thing I need to do is to simplify this formula, BH divided by 2. Now I can substitute my constants for my variables. A is right here. So A equals 175.5 meters squared, which equals the base I don't have, the height I do have, which is 13 meters, and I'm going to divide that by 2. Next step is to get rid of my brackets. So 1 times 175.5 is 175.5 meters squared, which equals base times 13 meters. So B times 13 meters becomes 13 meters B. Divide that by 2. Next on the list is I eventually want to get B all by itself. In order to get B all by itself, I need to get rid of or eliminate the 2. And the best way to make something that is being halved, or half of something, is to make it whole. In order to make it whole, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So I'm going to take 2 over 1. I'm going to multiply 175.5 meters squared divided by 1, because that's the fraction form. So that's one side multiplied by 2. The second side is going to look like this, 13 meters B divided by 2, that's its fraction form, and I'm going to times it by 2 in fraction form. And if you remember from multiplying fractions, you just multiply your numerators together and you multiply your denominators together. So multiplying 2 times 175.5 is 351 meters squared. 1 times 1 is 1. 13 meters B times 2 is 26 meters B, and 2 times 1 is 2. Move this up. 351 meters squared divided by 1 is 351 meters squared. And 26 meters B divided by 2 is just 13 meters B. So now I've gotten rid of the 2, that was the denominator. Now, in order to get B all by itself, I have to eliminate the 13 meters. Now, the 13 meters is multiplying the B. So the best way to get rid of 13 meters when it's multiplying is to do the opposite. And the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 13 meters. And we're going to do that to both sides. (351 meters squared divided by 13 is 27. Now meters squared divided by meters. Let's review that. Meters squared divided by meters, you have to subtract your exponents. So 2 take away 1 is meters to the 1, which is the same thing as meters. So 27 meters is good. erase that because I need more space over there. Now 13 divided by 13 is 1 times, and meters to the 1 divided by meters to the 1 gives you meters 1 minus 1, which equals m to the 0. Anything that has the exponent of 0 is equal to 1. So these basically cancel out or reduce to 1, and you're left with just b. So to simplify that, we get 27 meters